Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, it's all about the neck. I am going to show you in about 3 simple steps how I take care of my neck. Now when it comes onto your neck actually show your age even way faster than your face. If you take a look at people in their 40s, 50s, 60s, what you're going to notice is that right under here, and I'm pressing mine for you to see what I'm talking about, tend to start to show wrinkles. And if you look at the side, sometimes it's tend to start to pull down a little. All of that, guys, comes with aging, and most of the time that is going to make us look even older than our actual age. So what I personally do to take care of my neck is to constantly exfoliate my neck. So you want to make sure to exfoliate your neck at least 2 to 3 times per week. One of my favorite things to use on my neck is the Khichibeauty facial polishes. I like the coconut, and I also like to use the turmeric, especially when I find that my neck is looking a little darker. I go for the turmeric, but most of the time I am exfoliating with the Khichibeauty coconut water facial polish. And what I do, I rub it on my neck, all over my neck, which I just did, and then I rinse off. Once that is done, guys, I like to use a toner on my neck, and I tend to gravitate towards a toner that have anti-aging properties. One of my favorite to use is the Khichibeauty coconut water green tea facial toner. The green tea is rich in antioxidants that help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and also boosts collagen and elastin. So I pat dry my neck, and then I just spritz on my green tea facial toner on my neck. And even though this is a spray, what I like to do, I like to massage it in my neck like I'm showing here. I just massage it on my neck in circular motion, and this is gonna dry in no time. Now once that is done, and this is something that I do with my neck every day, so you want to make sure that you're taking care of your neck every day. Exfoliate the neck at least 2 to 3 times per week. Now if you do not have an exfoliator, just jump in the kitchen, whip up some brown sugar with some coconut oil or some olive oil and use it to exfoliate the neck. You can also add a bit of a orange peel in it, and that's gonna exfoliate. But if you have access to my facial polishes, just grab 1 or 2 and exfoliate your neck at least 2 to 3 times per week. So now that my facial toner is dried, what I'm gonna reach for is a serum. Now I like to use either the avocado serum or the papaya serum on my neck, but at night definitely reach for your retinol or your vitamin C serum on the neck. Or if you have an anti-aging beauty product set, definitely use that serum. Today I am going to use the papaya, and sometimes I mix the papaya with the avocado. Anything for my neck. So here's the papaya serum, and whatever serum I'm using, I like to use about 2 to 3 drops of the serum. So whether you're using the papaya, the avocado, the retinol, the vitamin C, you name it, 2 to 3 drops on the skin. So here I have the serum, and I like to just rub the serum in my hands like this, and then I apply it on my neck in upward stroke. You do not want your neck to age you, so just massage your neck. Go easy on the trachea area. So massage, 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 and it feels good. And don't forget the back of your neck. Just massage the back of your neck in circular motion like I'm showing here, and start from the décolleté. Okay, you can choose to massage from the décolleté all the way up. And when I apply the serum on my neck, I like to spend about a minute just massaging the serum in my neck. Now once that is done, I kind of let it sit on my neck for a few seconds, around about a minute or so. And then this is the Khichibeauty Ultra Repair Repair Firming Neck Cream, and I'm telling you guys, I love using this on my neck. I massage this on my neck with my hands, and I also massage it on my neck with massaging tool. So what I'm gonna do, and take a look at that, there it is. It's a neck firming cream, and you want to be generous with it, but at the same time you really do not want to waste it, and round about this is good enough. And I just rub it on my hands like this, and then I start to apply it on my neck. 1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, up, and I just put it right on the ear, and I just massage my neck just like that, up, and I'm taking it all the way down from the décolleté. You want to have a younger looking neck. You want to get rid of the saggy neck. You want to get rid of the wrinkles on the neck, and you want your neck to look years younger. This is what you do. And this cream have an amazing refreshing smells. And don't forget to go to the back of the neck, and I'm pushing it upwards, and neck firming cream that you're massaging on your neck. And you want to do this at least once per day, whether you choose in the morning or at night. Personally, for me, I massage this on my neck at night. And guess what, guys? Just continue to use this. Look at my neck, guys, and there you have it. That's my neck right there. You want your neck to look years younger than your actual age. You want your neck to look free of wrinkles, free of sagging. So that is how I personally take care of my neck, to have my neck looking younger. And now, you know, as we age, the collagen production starts to slow down, and because of that, it causes your skin to look wrinkled. And one of the places on your body that tend to show really fast is your neck. If you take a look at sometimes people talking on, you know, whether you're watching social media or TV, and take a look at their neck. Sometimes their face is looking amazing, but you can clearly see the neck start to show, you know, the crease and all of that. And I personally can look at someone's neck and judge their age. Now, you want someone to look at your neck and just cannot tell how old you are from your neck. So you want to massage that neck firming cream on your neck on a regular. But as I said, don't only massage the cream on, do a full neck care routine. That is to exfoliate your neck 2 to 3 times per week, and lay on the toner, lay on the serum, and lay on your moisturizer, your oils, and your neck firming cream, and you're on your way to younger, fresher looking neck. So if you're interested in the products that I use in this video today, you're gonna find them right here. Just click on that view product link, or look in the description box. We're gonna put the link to all these products, and guess what, guys? You're on your way to amazing looking neck. Do not let your neck show your age.